Hello, class. Welcome to day 2 of workouts with Coach Tom. Today we are going to be doing our roller coaster workout, and what that entails is we're going to do 10 jumping jacks, 1 squat, 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 and with about a 10-second rest in between each one. And then after that, we're going to do a 2-minute rest after we finish all of the sets. And then we're going to do 3 sets of them. All right. Let's begin. So we'll start with our 10 jumping jacks. And actually, I'm going to start by putting some little bit of music on. It always helps me to motivate to have a little music on next to me. All right, and here we go. 10 jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry. Two, three, 4, so we go. 4. Okay, one more set. Make sure you're breathing too while you're doing these exercises. Alright, so there's set 1 right there. I'm going to time that shoe real quick. We got our 2-minute rest break real quick. Set my timer. So we'll say about a minute and a half. That was already about 30 seconds there. You just want to make sure that you're staying on the balls of your feet, so not getting flat-footed, so you're able to explode up when you're doing all your jumping jacks and your squats. Gathering my breath. In about a minute. Just say about a minute to 2 minutes, so we're going to go about it at a minute 30, so I'm going to give myself about another 30 seconds, 20 seconds or so. Oh, it's like working on some music adds a little bit of motivation to me. It's a little adrenaline and energy. Alright, let's get started. I think I've had a good enough rest there. Alright, so back to our 10 jumping jacks now. There's 10 jumping jacks. There's 1. So 1 set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 2. third set. Full. And there's 5. So there's our second set right there. Go to set my timer. Give myself a little break, gather myself here. And the better in shape you are, the more you want to challenge yourself, the shorter breaks you should take to make it more rapidly. When you're doing your jumping jacks, you want to make sure that you're getting your arms extended all the way. No kind of short arms here. Then you're not getting the full shoulder workout that you want to get, the flexibility. So I want to get extended all the way. And I'm going to go after about a minute of rest here. So I got about another 20 seconds, then I'm going to go. Make sure my shoes are all tied. Keeping good grip so I'm not slipping. Alright, it's been about a minute. So we're just getting into our last set here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, what you mean? Oh, well. Never back me up. There's 2. There's 3. One and last one. We got a good song going on. And one last extra one for the end. One last extra one for the end to finish strong. Alright. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. Got a good workout in. Make sure you guys are staying hydrated, staying active, and have a great workout and a great day.